Yes, now we are on the section 3 again, 135, the black badge of Africa. So this section is all about Africa and the people and how they were, how they used to, what type of people they were. Like we sometimes always go back into our childhood, isn't it? Even if you ask your parents, what would you like to do? How was your childhood? What did you like in your childhood? Do you remember your childhood? Or do you regret it? It was better then or better now. So we always try to remember our past, our happy moments and sad moments also. And we sit and laugh, isn't it? You ask your parents, how was I when I small? What I used to do? What I used to like? Till the time from which you don't remember, they'll tell you. You don't remember everything of your childhood days. From the time your brain started, you know, storing in memory, from then you know. But before that, you have to know that. The things which you know, you will always remember and laugh. We laugh, sometimes I used to do this in my childhood, I used to do that. I love going back to my childhood, those days. So we remember things of our past and of our country, where we were born, our motherland, India. So here we are going to read about the Black Badge of Africa by Gift Mudzingwa. He is wanting to express his childhood and the life was better and so happy, than the present days that we are free. Being a child is freeness, freedom, and now we are all in bondage, isn't it? I was born with the scent of wild flowers in the air, the smell of wood fires, and the cooking pot. I was born to be proud of the black badge of my skin. My first tears flowed from the sting of smoke, from the pain of the thorns in my naked small feet. How I hated at first the long hours herding cattle, but I loved the hills and the river when it gave me fish. I learned to listen to the song of birds, to watch the colors of dawn and sunset. I learned to love the land that gave me my own black badge, the black badge of Africa. People in Africa tried, they wear one cloth that one side to one side, that cloth or whatever, marking their garment which they wore. A small piece of cloth want to indicate identity, that they are from this clan, they are that tribe, so this thing. He was proud. I was born with scent of wildflowers in the air, the smell of wood fires and the cooking pot. There was no gas, no electric oven, no hot water geyser, nothing, no AC. Smelling of the wood fire and the pot, earthen pots made of mud. I was born to be proud of the black badge of his clan, of his village, of his tribe, of his people, of my skin also. I am proud to be black. I am also dark color. I am proud what God has given me. I don't care what people think. I am what I am. I am proud to be part of this country. I am proud that I was born here. I do what I do. What people think is their problem. Because they have a problem, that's why they think about me. Otherwise, I don't have a problem with anybody. My first tears flowed from the sting of smoke, from the pain of the thorns in my naked small feet. That smoke goes into your eyes, you start crying, your tears come out, you don't like the smoke, you try to run away from it. The pain of the thorns in his feet, in his young naked feet. He remembers those days. That's make people strong. When you get hurt, you come to know what is pain. Pain is gain. Suffering pain, digesting that pain is gaining something. You're gaining strength, inner strength. His first tears flowed, actually not crying, but because of that smoke. How I hated at first the long hours herding cattle, means taking cattle to the fields, to the open areas, the swells, the velds in Africa. Long grasslands where you can only see the sky goes and joins, huge velds in grasslands, in dry grasslands in Africa. But I loved the hills. He loved the hills, getting up. Children love hills, getting up, getting down, playing there. And the river, when it gave me fish. That's when you go fishing. You don't have to buy anything. Everything is there from the nature, you are getting it. I learned to listen to the song of birds, to watch the colors of dawn and sunset. Dawn is the early part of the morning. That is a different color. Sunset is a different color. Song of birds, color thing. God made color. No one has painted it. It's nature, natural. No man has done it. And we are always busy on our phone. We are busy on this materialistic things. We don't want to love nature. The day we start loving nature, it will be a better place to live in. We'll be having much more better things. Our Mother Earth is going down. Biodiversity, biosphere is getting polluted because of our materialistic dreams and desires. I learned to love the land that gave me my own black badge, the black badge of Africa. He learned to love his land that gave him that black badge. He was proud to be an African. I'm proud to have come on this earth. I love my Mother Earth and I'm proud. He learned to love the land that gave him my own black badge. My own, everything is my own. When I've come into this world, there is a reason. The black badge of Africa. I don't mind. I'm proud to be in Africa. I enjoy this nature. This is my childhood. Don't mind. Sometimes we are very far away. We go away from our own homeland or whatever, from our village or town. But we always think into the past. It was so good. I've learned so much. You learn so much in life from your childhood. Isn't it? So this is what he's trying to say in this poem. And beautiful poem. And wonderful. Freeness. What is freedom? We must try to enjoy freedom. And freedom is something you're born. We are born free. And that's what we do. Okay? We want to be free. We want to enjoy nature. And we think about our past always. So we'll come back again. So take care, guys. Read this poem also, answer the question. Comprehension skills are your job. I'll be putting the homework up. I'll tell you what homework to do, but you have to do it from beforehand. Then we'll do the big round ball is called Earth. That we'll do, and after that we have the night sky. All fiction movies, science fiction. So, and then we have the night poetry. And then we have finished. That's 3 more stories to go, and we'll do that. Okay, in the next class, and we'll be finishing in the next 3 stories. So unit 6 is last, so we'll be finishing our course, and after that we'll go again for revisions, and we'll finish, and we'll all be great and complete with it. So we have 3 more left. So that will be great. So another 3-4 classes, I guess we'll finish these 3. And please do all your homeworks up to date. I need that. Write whatever you can, not a problem. Okay. So bye bye. Take care. God bless. Enjoy your happy Chhath Puja in advance. Respect your parents and do whatever you want after your studies. And be good, be safe, and be happy.